I recently made this video explaining how to animate a number counter in After Effects. The only thing I really missed from here is how to animate numbers over 1 million. I'd suggest giving that video a quick watch before this one, as the same principles apply here, just a slightly different expression. Anyway, here's how to animate numbers over 1 million. So I have this text layer here. It doesn't really matter what it says because it will all change the numbers shortly, but I'll come up to Effect, Expression Controls, and normally we would add a slider control here, but this maxes out at 1 million, so you can't go any higher than that. So this time we're going to use a point control. Next I'm going to highlight our text here, and I'll right click on it, and I want to click on Reveal Source Text in Timeline. That'll bring this up here. Another way you could search for that is just by typing into here, source text. And on here, we're going to write a new expression by clicking on the stopwatch while holding Alt. And we'll type num equals, and then we're going to put some inverted commas here. Now this is where we could put a $sign or a pound sign for something to go before the number, but for now we're just going to leave it blank. And then we're going to type plus Math.round. With some brackets in there, and in the brackets we'll get our pick whip tool and link up to our point control. And then just after that we're going to add some square brackets, and in the middle of that we'll put a 0. You'll notice this now says 960, which links up to this number here. But if we wanted to link up to this number instead, which would be 540 at the moment, we'll change that 0 to 1. For now though, we'll keep it at 0. From here we can just animate our point control, so we'll click the stopwatch and put a 0. And then come further along, and we'll put 3 million. The only thing I would like to include here is we want a comma in here and a comma in here to split it up nicely, so we'll put a semicolon here and drop down a line, and we'll type num dot, and we'll paste in this expression which you can find in the description below. And that's us now animating over into the millions. And from these inverted commas that we had before, we can always type in a little $sign there to put it in front, or if we wanted something to come after the text, we could put plus inverted commas, and let's just put a % for now. And that works well. I'm just going to delete that for now. And let's just, to show you that this works, let's just change this to 100 million. And that's the whole effect. Thank you very much for watching. If you got good use out of this, then I'm sure you'd be interested in learning how to do better and faster text animation in After Effects as well. I'll link you this video here, which will show you just how to do that, and I'll see you over there.